how to see Nsfw on X Twitter settings. So if you want to see Nsfw on your X Twitter settings, then what you need to do is just watch this video. But note that you only can turn this on if you are 18 plus or you are comfortable with adult or sensitive material. So now without any further ado, let's get started. So here the first thing, you need to open up your X application and make sure that you're logged in with your account. And now here, once you're inside the application, just tap on the profile icon, which will be on the top left. And now here from the pop-up menu, simply scroll down and tap on the settings and support option, which will be on the bottom. And under that option, you have to tap again on the settings and privacy. And now here, once you're in the settings section, simply scroll down and tap on privacy and safety. And now you can see an option labeled as content UC. Tap on it. Now here, once you're in this section, you will have an option, like two major options right here. First is you just need simply go with the search settings. And here you can see the option labeled as hide sensitive content. So here, if it is enabled, simply disable it. And with that, you need to go back and then tap on sensitive media. And now here in this section, just change all the three options to show all. And with that, you'll be able to see sensitive content on X. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.